Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove card from Google Play Store. So if you want to remove your card from your payment method on Google Play Store, this is how you can go about it. Now on your mobile, go ahead and open Play Store. Once Play Store is open, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see your profile. Tap on this to bring up menu. And under menu, you want to tap on payment and subscription. Now under payment and subscription, tap on payment method. You'll find all your connected card in this section. Now, if you do not find a three dot beside them to edit or delete them, come to the bottom and tap on More Payment Settings. Open with your browser, and here you'll find your card. You can also add new cards in this section. Now, to remove your card, tap on Remove, and then tap on Remove again. Your card will be removed. If after clicking through to your browser and you still can't find your cards, you want to make sure that you are properly signed in into your email on your browser. And if you have multiple accounts, you have switched to that Google account. So thank you for watching this video on how to remove card from Google Play Store. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.